Okay.
It accidentally. Tegan has accidentally restarted. Okay. Hi guys, maybe it's from Amazing Fox, and today with Tegan and we're just going to be showing a few random squishies.
Yeah, we're just going to be showing a few random squishies. This is just like a random video because the other video that we did, it just turned off randomly. So I hate it. So
I got unicorn, a poo, and a Rapunzel.
I got poo. It's very slow.
Then I got a watermelon.
Yeah.
And shout out to Lucas because we saw you at home and bargain.
Yeah.
It's me like showing. She ran.
It's still not rice yet.
We've got a dinosaur cake. We see it. Look, it looks like a dinosaur as a cake.
Bouncing down.
And then go.
No. And I've got. Then I got poo.
Nah, that's my pill.
Then I got apple.
That's my pill. This is like a lean where we lean on it. And
I want to lean.
it's my leaner.
A little big leaner.
Oh, and guys, I want to show you this. But we opened these, but then that's where the video stopped. We've already opened these where the video stopped, so I just want to play it.
And I've got apple. Giant apple.
That's my giant apple.
See the giant apple?
So
Like, by the way, just ignore noises in the background, especially Tegan. Okay, and this is a squishy that I made. It's carrot cake.
yeah,
And then I've got I just ignore all the noises in the background. That's my mum.
I'm done.
Ah, shh. Keep calm and be a sloth.
Keep calm and be a sloth. Her dad just
Yeah, because I shouted at him right then. I said, "Be calm and be a sloth," and he said, "Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, I didn't understand actually." Then this is a watermelon. It's a watermelon. Did we go? And then mini sloth. Because okay, everyone.
keep calm and dance.
Be calm, be a sloth. Yeah, that's what I knew. Oh, and about. This is just like this. We're just gonna show some squishies.
Slam, slam, every little time. I make it all the time.
No.
Fluffy, you do cut. Stick, you do cut. Go on, you do the rap. You do the rap. You're better at it.
No, I don't want to do that.
Slam, slam, slam. I make it all the time.
No. Wait.
Fluffy, you do cut. Ready?
Wait, how do I do it? Okay. Sam, wait. Sam, I make it all the time. Sam, I make it all the time.
So guys, I'm gonna show you this. Watch this. Wait. Boom, cha, boom, boom, cha, boom, boom, cha, boom, boom, cha, Oh, smell. It takes its time. It takes its time.
What's that? Taking out your water.
I know.
The lid. The lid.
I hate you. Ow.
And you bit my finger now.
Go to the tiger. So, yeah.
We got a bear. Cute. Then we got milk. Ew. The bear drinks the milk. Ew.
Okay, so.
Baby shark. Then we got an LOL squishy ball, which is cute.
And then there's like
And what
potato
goes down?
bear. So cute. I don't remember picking that one out. Graduation duck.
Golden tooth.
Golden tooth.
My tooth. It's my tooth.
And then like this boring thing. And then
No,
it's like
this is not boring.
under it. And then there's like ice cream and like yeah. And then it's like so soft. Yeah. And this yes, his head sticking out. So it was like please pick me.
And I got princess. You get your own. Yeah.
Okay, now
I
this
got
is the same
bunny.
smoothies. You get your.
I've already shown it.
And then I've got a little bowl. I love the top of that one.
Because I like the bottom.
I just like the bottom.
Because I like it. I like the pink.
So yeah, really long. Bet you on the head. Bet you on the. Ah! She already pushed me over before, didn't you? I was like getting ready to like go under.
Yeah, not mine. Okay. Hello.
Okay, hello. This is my hair for the rest of the video. Ooh. Challenge. Try and keep it on my head for the rest of the video. How you die in Roblox. Oof.
No. This is my new way. Oosh. It's oosh. It's oosh.
This is my challenge.
Let's mix a tiddy bit of all together. A tiddy bit. Okay.
Okay.
See what happens.
I'm keeping it.
What?
I'm keeping it.
No, we'll share it.
Okay.
Okay. Guess this much.
Let me
Let's both mix. This both has a bit. Oh, it's ugly. It's purple. It's purple. It's only purple. It's purple.
You can keep that bit. We can share it out. You can keep that bit. I'll keep this bit.
Okay. Oh, I like. You'll turn up more dark. Yeah. Oh, I love my colour. This is.
Look at my colour.
Like this is good. Look at mine.
I feel yours. This is stickier than mine. No, mine's stickier. Mine's
Mine's
like darkish purplish. And I know what. Oh.
Deegan, you can have this bit as well.
Why?
Because
Yeah, look at the difference of the colour.
that's my one.
We are family. Get up, everybody, and sing. Where's my lid? Everybody sing.
Where's my lid?
Everyone sing. Where's my lid? Yeah.
Let's do some shout outs.
Yeah.
Okay. Shout out to Ethan Triggs. Let's be one by one. Shout out to Ethan Triggs.
Shout out to Zoe Kelly.
Shout out to Elena Connolly.
Shout out to Emma Deeves.
Oh, wait, let me do a different person. Shout out to Emma Harrison.
Shout out to Grace Cuttill. She was off today.
Shout out to Mimi's Toy Corner.
Shout out to MEX.
Shout out to Betsy.
Shout out to Frankie.
That's my cousin.
Shout out to Olivia.
That's my friends.
Yeah, she has so many friends she hasn't told me about. Now, should we just play with our slimes while we're doing our shout outs?
Yeah. Okay. So what are other shout outs? Shout out to Riley O'Brien.
Shout out to Alfie McGrail.
Shout out to what? And this is just what I said. Shout out to Lewin Smith.
Shout out to Take That Gun.
Tegan's favourite YouTube channel. Except mine. Shout out to Twins Toys.
Shout out to LOL Dolls.
Okay. Shout out to Tegan Smith.
Shout out to Aaron Smith. Shout out to Louise Oswald.
Shout out to
Shout out to Jade. Shout out to Adam. Shout out to Karen. Shout out to Andy. family.
Shout out to Miss Parrington and Miss Grant.
Yeah, shout out to Miss Boothroyd. Okay.
Okay. Shout out to Emily.
Who's Emily?
Doesn't matter. She's one of my friends. Another one. Okay.
Like, she hasn't told me about any of these friends. So I just want to play with my snap for a bit in front of you guys. I just want to do some. Let's do some ASMR. Shut up.
Anyway.
Have you guys watched? Have you guys watched the new Mamma Mia yet? Comment down below. And Ethan, make sure you write in the comments because I want to speak to you. Ethan, I'll play Roblox with you
I might play Roblox.
tonight.
Yeah, I might.
I'll play with you.
I might. I don't know.
Shout out to Isabel Duffy.
Oh, damn it. I have to do something.
What you gonna do?
Oh, well, I'm going to work. And
Yeah. This is a mum's phone, not a camera.
yeah. Anyway.
Hashtag
Be a
Be a
sloth and stay
stay
calm. And if you subscribe, you'll be part of the Donut Sloth Squad. Okay. Bye, guys.